We are law-abiding legislators, and that is why you have not seen violence all this while. We have our rules and orders in the House, and it gives us, both the standing order and the Constitution gives us the right to elect our Speaker. The Speaker is not in any way higher than members. He's just a first among equal. And whoever the members says is their Speaker is their Speaker. And that is what was demonstrated this afternoon. We just want to pass it to the whole world that there has been a change in the leadership of this honorable House. And at least 18 out of 26 members have unanimously signed, supported, and picked me to be their new Speaker. I am not their boss. I am only the one that will speak for them, to guide their interest, to protect their interest. That is what we just have done, or we have just done. We expect our people, we plead with our people to please remain calm. We have adjourned for a week. We are in custody of all the authorities of the House.